Today we will talk about how to access your child's ELPAC test score in Parent Portal. You are going to start in your website browser inserting this link to access your Parent Portal. Or you can go to a search engine like Google and type in Garvey School District Parent Portal and select from your search engine there. Once you access the Parent Portal site, you will see this page right here that will take you into your Garvey School District Parent Portal. You will be using the same email you used to register your child for school, as well as the same password you used. If you need this information, you can call your school and they will help you access your login information. Once you access your Parent Portal, this is the page that you will see. We are going to look for your child's test scores. If you look on the left, you will see options. You will click on the option that says test scores, as you can see with the yellow arrow. Once you select that option, your page will change with different selections. You will then select State Test Scores Reports. Again, we are showing you with the yellow arrow. Your page will change and you will be able to see any test your child took during the school year. We are specifically looking for the ELPAC test today, which is your child's English language test. You are given two options to view the report. The first option will be in English, and the second option will be in the language that you stated that you speak at home when you registered your child. You will then make a selection as to what language you would like to read the report in. Once you have made your selection, you will then see your child's ELPAC report. We are showing you an example on your screen. Please make sure that you have the correct child's test score. If you look at the top of the page, you will see a child's name. Please verify that it is your child's report. And this is how you access your child's ELPAC test scores.